Oh, hello guys. Oh, wait. I'm going in a quiet, peace, peaceful. No, with no sounds. It's just not. Okay, let's go. Ooh. So we're playing Ragdoll engine for a video. Man, that guy was weird. And we're going to try the landmines and how far if we go out to the fences. Let's see. No. Anyways, we got out to the fence and let's go back. Let's go try the cannon. By the way, the original game is Ragdoll engine, but the original one has got deleted. Okay. So this is a Cheetos. Cheetos. What? So we don't know what they are saying. Actually, let's go to the upper building. It may take a while. My grammar or sentence sucks, by the way. Don't judge. Think we don't need to go to the top or the roof because it may take a minutes or hours to get there. By the way, I'm gonna make a face reveal when we hit 200 likes. This is a promise. I'm actually a Filipino, and my dream is to be a YouTuber and an animator, but I cannot actually animate. My animating is pretty bad. Oh, sorry for that. I got a bad nose. I mean, a sneezy nose. Ooh. And we are going to climb to this escalator. It's more likely a moving stairs. That guys are injured. Really injured right now. And we're going to slide here right now. Whew. By the way, my favorite YouTuber is Remainings. Because he's just quiet. He's just quiet. He's just quiet and making some jokes that I laugh about it. Her brain is revealed actually. And it's Jeffrey. But he got a glasses on. This is Tubi and Wild. What I met. Let's go to the upper stairs. It won't take a while. Okay, I'm gonna cut the video. I will record again. Okay, welcome back. I got to the top and we're going to jump in right now. By the way, what I'm using my phone is Xiaomi and it's kinda laggy. 30 FPS is better. Still playable to me. What? Okay, we got to the ground and we are going to search. Oh, this toy. I got this toy. There's a toy like that. One of my classmates gave to me. It was a back. It was a old toy because my classmate gave it to me since I was at kindergarten. I got a runny nose. I'm quite actually tall, but you know, I'm 9. But I'm too curious about why am I tall, and I'm taller than all of my classmates. Yeah, I'm taller. Actually, I'm learning long multiplication table, long multiplication about 2 digits. Wait lang. Wait guys, I'm gonna show you. Like that. Because that's what I'm learning about now. I cannot do it right now because I don't have energy to use it. I don't have energy to answer it. Then that's the end of the game. That's the end of the video, I mean. Please like and subscribe like the normal guys like to say. Like and subscribe, and make sure to on the notification bell on so you can see my uploading videos again. Okay guys, it's the guy what they said when it's the end of the video. Okay, bye.